Welcome to a super fast look through the Celebrity Solstice, cabin 8322. Coming in the front door, you can see a king-size bed set up. You can also have it configured as twin singles, and there's a couch there and trundle that can also sleep another 2 people. This room also has a balcony, and here the ship is in the port of Auckland. Here is the couch made up into a bed, and it stayed like that for the duration of the trip. There is a desk with a desk drawer, which is great for makeup. Some storage above the bar fridge. You can see all of our junk bits and pieces in there. A TV, and I'll show you a little bit more about that in a minute. There is a cupboard or closet with some robes. In this side, we've got some more hanging space and a safe that you can set with a 4-digit pin. Plenty of room. There's me. Hello. This is the bathroom. It has a toilet, sink, standard size shower, and strangely the glassware is stored in the bathroom. I thought that was a bit strange. Just the basic amenities are provided by the ship, such as soap and shampoo, so if you like something fancy, bring your own. And heading back out to the door with the deck instructions there. Over the bed is some storage. It's well hidden. Here it is open. We kept our extra clothes there. There was also a bar fridge, which is optional. We didn't really use it except for using it as a fridge. There was also a hairdryer supplied. I didn't try that out. There was American plugs on board, and that's our adapter. And there was also an EU plug on board. Gee, it needs a dust. And there's our adapter for that. There was a phone for making cabin-to-cabin calls. There was no chapel on board, but there was a Gideon provided Bible in our cabin. The TV had some free on-demand movies and movies that you could pay for. There was quite a good selection of free movies. So there you go. Ready Player One, Ant-Man and the Wasp, Always at the Carlisle, Black Panther. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're interested. Thank you.